Manurse Mbee wa miongo nyanya nimasyoka Wiani kwi umunthi kumina mukomo la methiitwe maitwaaisye uneenia wa mwandiki munene silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku Dr. Moi andambukia wetakana silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku ni umya mwamulo wa Manurse ala meusya isionekana probation vomwena ala mateungua ngwatanio ya Manurse na masyoke Wiani trafikite wakatano saili kwacha kana moso matambia momo makimia Daniel Mwongela na ilivoti.
Dr. Mwenda mukindane na ndikimamavo wa hospitalini wa Masaku level 5 ni walisekanamo Manurse nimasyoke Wiani ala ni Mbee wa miongo nyanya.
As at 1 p.m. the 20th of August 2025, more than 80 of our nurses had reported back to work. We are here first and foremost to thank those nurses who have heard our call and have made the right decision to walk back to their wards, to walk back to their health facilities and continue providing services to our people. This number comprises of both nurses who are on probation and those who are not yet members of the union. A good number has heard our call and are ready back to work.
Wevindani uni wakulia alangi meungo sezo kana probation ondu mwana alama teungua ngwatanio ya Manurse masyoke Wiani tivika katano eti umoso ya matami momu makimiao ndakania amma ungamima ngwatanio ya Manurse alama methiitwe maisi ya Manurse ya Kusyokethya Wiani.
We are aware that some of them are out there. They still have the willingness, the intention and the desire to get back to their workstations. I used to tell them they have until Friday at 8 a.m. to get back to their workstations. Our nurses who are still on probation terms, those who are not union members, have until 8 a.m. to get back to their workstations. After that, you will have crossed the Rubicon. There will be no going back. And of course, our human resource policies and procedures will kick in after that. And in the same breath, we also wish to tell those union officers who are threatening nurses who wish to get back to their workstations that threatening fellow workers is not the way to go. Indeed, we will not hesitate to place criminal culpability on persons who threaten others in their place of work. That cannot be excused under whatever circumstances. So for those nurses who want to go back to work, kindly do it and do it without fear.
Ukawinanda silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku yathanite ni kuthinikia thino wa mukomo kwa kutwaaiw'a neno kumanda usungi wa mituki nikenda ene nthi maike kunama.
Our people, once again, going by the pronouncements by Her Excellency yesterday, that the government will not abdicate its duty of progressing negotiations with the union. Tomorrow at 10 a.m., a meeting has been called and we expect the union to turn up so that we can pick up where we left, proceed the negotiations and hopefully bring this matter to a closure.
Ukawinani la silikali ya kaunti ya Masaku uendee na kutwaaiw'a uneenia wa kumina maunthungithisyo alama na imano akiloni Manurse ya evindani na kutuma maitwaaisye mukomo. Daniel Mwongela, Mutongo TV, kuma Kauntini ya Masaku.